Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Remove the wire passing plug of the left-hand taillight. Pull out the terminal of the taillight wire. Disconnect the terminal. Pry off the decorative cover of the cargo rack. Use a 5mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the rear carrier. Remove the rear carrier. Use a 3mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the lower shell of the taillight. Remove the rubber plug. Remove the taillight. Slowly pull out the taillight wire. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the upper shell of the taillight. Install the upper shell of the taillight. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Thread the taillight wire through the round hole in the lower shell. Straighten the wire harness. Thread it through the rear carrier. With the raised part facing upwards, install the taillight into the buckle of the lower shell. Install the taillights. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Thread the wire harness through the flat surface of the rubber plug. Install the rear carrier. Apply thread a locking adhesive to the screws. First, reel tighten the 2 front fixing screws. Alternately tighten the fixing screws on both sides. Then tighten the 2 front screws. Install the decorative cover with the notch facing backwards. Align the protrusion with the notch and insert the terminal. Push the wire harness backwards into the frame. Install the rubber plug. Install the battery.